Hi, welcome back to the second week of English 110 online. Um, I hope you didn't struggle too much with that Facebook group assignment. It's just something I'm trying this semester, particularly when we get to the point where we're going to make the video of a demonstration. I just thought there's nothing easier to use to make a video than Facebook Live. So that was one reason. And also, I just wanted to create a sense of classroom um, climate for us so that you can go there, you can talk to each other, you can ask me questions, and that it can be like any other Facebook page. But anyway, the only thing that you're going to be required to do there is the introduction assignment, and the other assignment will be the assignment to make the presentation video with the live. We're going to actually do another presentation too, but you'll have the option of using the Facebook group to do that, and you'll have the option to do it a different way. So only two things required there. If you did not get up with your person yet and make your introduction in the group, then that's fine. We can continue that into this week, and nobody's going to get a 0 for that yet. Just trying to get to know each other a little bit. The other thing that you had to do last week was to watch the video, my video, and to look at the PowerPoint or the Google slide presentation actually that I prepared for you about chapter 1, and learn something about audience and purpose and tone. And this week we're going to take a look at Appendix A in the back of your book, 10 strategies to improve your style. Since this is a different kind of writing, it has to be simple and short and to the point, and there are ways that you can do that, and they've given you some very good strategies in Appendix A. So let's take a look at the middle page and see what we have for this week. So you want to read through Appendix A, pages 222 to 237. You don't have to read every single word because I put out what I thought were the most important things in the Google slide presentation. But definitely look through that and see what those 10 suggestions are, those 10 strategies are. Your resources for this week, of course, would be the Google slide presentation. And it says underneath, within the slide presentation, there are several short videos to watch. Click the links as you come to them to make sure you have your sound on. They're really short, but they're really helpful, and it really is another way to back up what the slides give you as far as information. Then, after you do that, there are some exercises to do for this week, and it looks like a lot here, but there's a coursework assignment here. So when you click on that in a pop-up, the assignment will actually come up. And then, of course, you can make it bigger so you can see it better. But I'm just going to leave it like that. And I've given some instructions for you to do. Choose any of the 5 following sentences from exercise A1 in your text, and then and that's from the appendix back there. The exercises are back there with the appendix. And then underneath those sentences, here's the excerpt from the book, exercise A1. So revise these sentences by making them active voice rather than passive. And in your instructions here, I've given you an example of what active versus passive is. And format for this assignment is 20% of your assignment. So what I want you to do is create a document and do it this way. Number 1, whatever number you chose, because you only have to choose, let's see, how many did I say? 5. Yeah, so you only have to choose 5 of these 10. So put the number of the sentence that you chose. So say you chose 3, then put 3. But here's the way it should look. With the sentence the way that it is, the mouse was chased by the cat, which is passive voice. By the cat tells who is chasing the mouse. The cat is the object of the preposition by. We want to put it in active voice, which would have the subject doing the action. The cat chased the mouse. And so then just format yours like that. Electrical shock can be avoided if certain basic rules are followed by the workers, I guess. That is, I can't see it because, yeah, workers. Okay. So you're going to start with the workers can avoid electric shock if certain basic rules followed. So I gave you a hint on that one. So don't tell anybody I gave you a hint on that one. Okay, so that's what you're going to do. You're going to create a new document, and you're going to, and you can't really copy and paste these sentences. You'll have to type them out. Because I actually just made a screenshot of your textbook and put it there. But on your document, you will type the 5 sentences as they are in the exercise, and then underneath them, you will type them in active voice. The same goes, now once you do that, and also, let me just show you this. Up here at the top where I have announcements and instructions for submitting assignments, let's click on that and take a look at that. There's several documents here that can help you with how to submit assignments. This is a Turnitin assignment, and so here's how to submit a Turnitin assignment. But I've also added a document here, how to create and share a Google Doc. Now, I don't want you to actually share that with me. I want you to put it on the Turnitin link, which is not hard to do, and you can just read the instructions for that. If you have any problems with that, let me know, and I can help you. But let me just show you how it works here. Okay, so here we are back on active voice. That tells you what to do, and this is where you submit it. Submit your saved document on the Turnitin link. So when you click on this, now it's going to show me what I see instead of what you might see as a student. But when you you'll see something like this, and you will see you will only see you as a student, of course, instead of all of the students in the class. But over here, this little upload button, this little cloud with an arrow going up, you're going to upload your document to the Turnitin link. So you just click that, and then you just follow the directions, and then you submit it, and it'll give you a ticket that says you have submitted it. And if you have any problems at all with doing this, do not worry, do not panic, but go back, just email me your document, and I'll submit it for you and try to help you get used to these Turnitin links. That's always the fallback plan. If you can't get to the get your computer to work, or your internet is giving you problems, or you don't understand my directions or whatever, the fallback plan is always just email me with your document attached, and I will upload it for you. So don't panic if you can't get it to work. Just email me and tell me you couldn't get it to work, so here's your document. So no worries. Now we're going to do a lot of things with the Turnitin link, so you'll have lots of time to practice this. And I don't think it's going to be that hard for you. I'm not saying that it's going to be difficult. You'll probably just fly right through it and be able to do it, and that'll be okay. So you have all of those exercises to do. Create a document, do what I say in the document that explains what the assignment is, and submit it. And you have until Sunday night before midnight to get that done. If you have any questions, concerns, anything at all for the course, please let me know, because I will be glad to help you and glad to to assist you in any way possible. Don't forget, Wednesday nights from 5 to 6 is my virtual office hour. And if you want to come to that, you're not required to, but if you want to come to that and just say, Ms. Lee, I am so lost, I need some help, can you help me? And I will. And we can do it virtually, just sort of like I'm doing this video for you now, but we can actually communicate back and forth through that Google Hangout. So have a great week. Let me know if there's any problems, and I'll be glad to help you. Thanks. Bye.